I'm Janet Colleton. I'm an elder law attorney in Westchester, Pennsylvania. I don't know when I first learned of Home Instead Senior Care, but I do know that my clients have come to rely on non-medical at-home care more and more over the years. And when they do, the first people I think to call are Phil McFadden and Amy Hergens at Home Instead Senior Care at Five Points Road. I find that they're dependable, that they're prompt, that they have screened their people who are quality people, that they establish expectations in advance, that they sit down with the family and talk about what it is that the family wants them to do during the time of their engagement. It takes a great deal of the worry away from me and away from the family. We recently had an experience where a gentleman contacted us and his sister needed immediate emergency care. What we did was we contacted nursing homes in the area. We were able to locate a placement for his sister, but we could not get the placement until Monday afternoon. This was a Friday. We called Home Instead. Home Instead immediately sent their people down, discussed the matters with the family, and arranged for 24-hour-a-day care throughout the weekend. This lady was in such poor shape that she couldn't stand on her own, and the Home Instead people, who had never met her before, showed great compassion and caring for her and helped her to make it through the weekend. Then the lady was placed in the nursing home on Monday afternoon. We've been very satisfied with our experience with Home Instead Senior Care. We would recommend them to other families that need to have the care, because we know that when we say that someone is going to be there, that they will be there, and that they're the people who will do the job properly.